today's list is not about the most strongest cricketers, but the most fearless. Team India's fielding coach R. Sridhar just described the latest sensation, Rishabh Pant, to be one of the most fearless cricketers according to him. Yes, that six of Archer that he hit has surely stamped him to be one. But can he continue his fearless nature for his entire career? That made us think about the most fearless cricketers, and thus we came up with this list. Today at Simri Chumma, we are counting down the top 10 most fearless cricketers. We have selected players who have been fearless all through their career. So we have specifically taken those who have retired or are about to retire. This is just our list, and we are sure yours will be different. And we would love to know from all of you as well. Number 10, MS Dhoni. Yes, he was fearless, and he changed his game towards the end of his career. If he had played his brand of cricket till the end, he might have found a place a lot better in this top 10. But no one can deny how fearless a captain he was. He took brave decisions, whether it was a different fielding position or bowling changes or out of the blue batting lineup changes. He has done it all, and with such conviction, his name warranted a place in the top 10. Number 9, Don Bradman. Don Bradman was considered as the greatest batsman cricket has ever seen. To tackle Don, opposition bowlers started using different techniques, and the most controversial of those was the infamous body line bowling. The tactic was severely slammed by critics, and the English team was accused of making a mockery of the game that was supposed to be played in a spirit of friendliness. Bradman scored 396 runs in the series at an average of 56.57, with his heroic knock of 103 of 146 deliveries in the second test match being hailed as one of his greatest innings. He finished with an average of almost 100, and his strike rate, though not counted, is supposedly near 65 to 70, which is exceptional in those times. Number 8, Chris Srikanth. A player who displayed aggression in the early part of the innings, Srikanth was a really strong hitter of the ball. He relished a challenge and never let the opposition settle down. He was one of the main reasons India won a World Cup back in 1983, as he scored what turned out to be an all-important 38 runs in the final. Srikanth might not be acquainted with the current generation of cricketers, but a lot of his tales as a batsman have gone down in history, making him one of the most fearless batsmen of his generation. Number 7, Brendan McCullum. Brendan McCullum is one of the most fearless players who never feared any bowler. The fastest record century in Test cricket in terms of balls faced is held by Brendan McCullum, who scored 100 runs from 54 balls against Australia in 2016 in his final Test match. He has a strike rate of 96 in ODIs and 136 in T20s. And when he is in full flow, no bowler in the world can stop him. Number 6, AB de Villiers. ABD is a South African legend who many hail to be one of the greatest cricketers to have played the game. His batting style was different, and many bowlers were afraid to bowl to him, as they never knew what was going to happen. Even a yorker on the middle stump could be deposited to a 6 behind the wicket. He is called Mr. 360 for the exact reason. He cooks up the most elegant, different shot you would have ever seen to a ball which was bowled at 150 plus. ABD is one of the most fearless cricketers for sure. Number 5, Adam Gilchrist. Gilchrist was a special cricketer, a cricketer who changed the role of a wicket-keeper batsman. He opened the batting in ODIs and came at number 6 in Tests. Irrespective, he came to the ground with such fearlessness with his batting or his wicket-keeping. He even kept wickets near the stumps for fast bowlers. Number 4, Chris Gayle. Chris Gayle, the six machine as we all call him, is widely known for his destructive batting. Though he is known for the T20 format, he is one of the only 4 batsmen to score 2 triple centuries in Test cricket. You would never see Gale with fast foot movements, neither will you see him trying out new shots. But one thing is for sure, you will see the ball sailing over the fence when he starts to bat. He scored the fastest double century of 138 balls and went on to score 215 of 147 balls against Zimbabwe in the 2015 World Cup. The game had never seen batsmen as fearless before. Number 3. Shahid Afridi. Boom Boom Afridi is one more player who became synonymous with fearlessness. His motto for batting was simple: the ball has to be deposited to the crowds every single time. And this way of batting made him start as an opener to batting at number 7. But he never changed his style. He finished with the most number of sixes by a batsman in cricket history, and his nickname became Boom Boom for the same. Afridi did not play that many test matches, but still his strike rate was 86.97 in tests, 117 in ODIs and 150 in T20s. When Shahid Afridi came to bat, we know there was going to be entertainment, and thus his position in this list is at number 3. Number 2. Viv Richards. The name says it all. Sir Viv was one of the first players who made the game look so easy with his ability to outplay any kind of bowling attack in any part of the world. Sir Viv went on to score 8,540 runs with a staggering average of 50.24 in tests. He had the same momentum in ODI format also, scoring 6,721 runs at an average of 47.01. At a time when even 70 strike rate was considered a good strike rate. Viv Richards had a career strike rate of 90.20. Sir Viv is known for his immense dominance over any bowling attack, and nobody even dared to sledge him and get into trouble. His cricket attitude was quite famous among the young guns at that time, as he never wore a helmet. Number 1. Virendra Sehwag. Sehwag, often known as the Sultan of batting for his fearless approach, was one of the most successful batsmen during his period. What made him really fearless was his attacking approach from the very first ball, no matter which format it was. Sehwag had the aura that would scare any bowler because he just did one thing: hit the ball to the fence. His hard-hitting skills and giving his team a lightning start were his attributes as a batsman. Most of his centuries and even his triple century he reached by hitting boundaries, as he did not believe in the nervous 90s. That is fearlessness for you. Yes, there are so many other players who are fearless, but these players stand tall among them. The others tend to change the way they play cricket as per the situation, but these players changed the game as per their style, and they found huge success. What do you think? Did you enjoy this video? Who according to you is the most fearless cricketer and why? Do let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead. Show us your love and support by pressing the like button, the share button, and do subscribe to Simply Chuma for more amazing and interesting videos on cricket and other sports.